Silly Willy. Silly Willy is very silly. He even puts his hats on upside down. Silly Willy lives in a very silly house and a very silly garden. And he drives a very silly car. One spring day, Silly Willy went outside. It was warm and sunny. There were lots of flowers and rabbits were playing in the fields. What did Silly Willy do? He tried to build a snowman. But there is no snow in spring. So he used flowers and grass instead. Silly, Silly Willy. One hot summer day, Silly Willy decided to go to the beach. He put on his vest, pants, sweater and thick coat, gloves and woolly hat. Then he drove to the beach. At the beach, he put on his skis and tried to ski on the sand. Of course, he couldn't. He was hot and tired. Silly, Silly Willy. One autumn day, Silly Willy decided to have a party. He wanted to make lemonade. He went outside to pick some lemons, but lemons don't grow in autumn, so he picked some carrots, potatoes and garlics, mushrooms, broccoli instead. Then he took the vegetables home in his basket. His friends arrived for the party. Silly Willy gave them pizza with ice cream on top. To drink, Silly Willy served his special drink, vegetable aid. It was disgusting. Everyone felt sick and went home. Silly, Silly Willy. One cold winter morning, Silly Willy woke up and saw that it had been snowing. He wanted to build a snowman again. He got dressed, just a t-shirt and short pants, and ran inside. He started to build a snowman, but soon began to feel really cold. Then Silly Willy had an idea to build a snowman inside his nice warm house. He carried the snow inside and built the snowman in front of his warm fire. But the snow quickly started to melt. Before long, all that was left of his snowman was a big puddle on his carpet. Poor Silly Willy.